back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you guys how my business grew super fast early on and my goals on moving forward. Okay, so first let's go back a few months ago, 6 months ago, when I first opened my office. The first 2 months I did pretty well without purchasing any leads whatsoever. I feel like I did well, but you know, the numbers wasn't all that. Let's be honest here. So I said about, I think like 12 policies per month for the first 2 months, right? And then AEP rolled around. And I decided to pivot, right? I decided to pivot, and I pivot really fast. So everyone was, you know, focused on Medicare, but I thought about the low-hanging fruit. Okay, so what can I do to get my numbers really high really fast? And I thought about ACA, Obamacare. Okay, so let's think about this. 10,000 people turn 65 every single day, and you might be like, whoa, that's a lot of people turning 65, and you are correct, that is a lot of people. But when you think about it this way, what about all the people that are not turning 65? They're turning 1, they're turning 18, they're turning 40, they're turning 62, right? There are millions of people turning a different age every single day. So that means that there is more opportunity in the ACA world versus the Medicare world, right? Think about you under a tree, right? Say I have you under a tree and I give you this big basket. And I say, okay, whatever apples fall in your basket is all yours, right? Say there's hundreds of red apples, which represents all the different ages. Say there are about 20 green apples that represent people turning 65, right? So those are your Medicare. Of course, if you're holding the basket and I'm shaking that tree and I'm like, whatever it falls in your basket is all yours, of course you're going to get a lot more red apples, right? So it made a lot more sense for me to focus on ACA because ACA is the low-hanging fruit right now. So for a small business like me getting started, I need to pivot, right? You need to know how to pivot. You need to know how to pivot fast. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, you have to know how to pivot in your business. What they say, 1 out of 5 businesses will fail in the first year. Let's take YouTube for an example, right? So you see all these creators on YouTube doing YouTube shorts, and they're exploding on YouTube. They have millions of followers, if not thousands of followers, right? Millions of views and all of that good stuff. Why? Because they pivot to shorts, or they don't even do long form content at all. They just went to shorts because right now shorts is the low hanging fruit in YouTube, right? On YouTube. So you gotta know how to pivot. You gotta know how to stay within the times. You gotta know when you have to like make changes within your business so that way your business continue to grow. Also, I have told you guys that I want to become a resource center. So I'm adding more things to my portfolio as well. I have something in the works right now, but I can't talk about it because it's in the works. So there is going to be a service that I'm going to add to my business that's going to help my clients, and that's going to help bring me more clients in as well. As you guys know, I do work with a lot of low income. That is kind of like my niche, is the low income population, right? And of course, I work with high earners as well, but my main overall focus is low income. So I am bringing in products that's going to help my clients and bring in more business as well. You always want to think of ideas to bring more into your business, products, services, and such if you want to be a resource center like myself, okay? So that is another thing you want to add to your business when it is necessary to do so, okay? Alrighty guys, so let's talk about my numbers for a tad bit. So my Medicare numbers, because I pivot to ACA, I have a lot less Medicare clients, but it's okay because I'm going to pivot back into Medicare, right? So with my Medicare, I have under 100 Medicare clients. Now with ACA, Obamacare, I have over 300 ACA clients because I pivot. At the end of the day, I'm still going to be making pretty much the same, but I was able to be smart enough to pivot and, you know, catch the low-hanging fruit, which is those red apples, right? Because I was able to pivot, I have a good number of clients, right? At the end of the day, I'm still going to get paid about the same, right? As someone that had 400 Medicare clients, still gonna get pretty much the same amount of money, right? Because ACA is structured a little different, but you know, the pay is about the same as Medicare, if not more. Let's be real, if not more, okay? So anyways, so of course I was thinking, okay, I want to make more than I was making as a registered nurse, right? When I was a registered nurse, I made about 10K per month. So I'm getting to that point, right? I should be at that point, right? But I'm not there. I'm not going to be there with 400 clients because those numbers don't relate to me being a registered nurse, because I have a business. And when you have a business, you have a lot of expenses, right? So I have my office. I have to pay for taxes. I have to pay for the mortgage. I have to pay for leads. I have to pay for marketing. I have to pay, and pay some more, okay? Uncle Sam is like, where are my fees? And I also hire staff as well. So realistically, I want to hit the 1,000 client mark, okay? 1,000 and more clients. That's what I need to really run my business the way I need to run it, to really get my business to the next level, right? So of course, that's my goal, to get to that 1,000 mark and higher, right? So I have some notes here. I don't want to forget anything. So what am I going to do moving forward, guys? So starting Monday, I do have staff that's going to be helping me as well. And I am all about moving fast and pivoting when I need to pivot, right? So that comes with hiring, that comes with marketing, that comes with adding new services, that comes with every single thing I do. I will hire slow, but I will fire fast. If it ain't working, you got to go. If you ain't helping me bring revenue, you gotta go, right? Whatever my strategy is, if my strategy ain't working, let's pivot. Like I pivot to ACA. If that lead campaign ain't working, all right, what we doing next, right? So you have to pivot in your business, because you don't want to be the one that fell, okay? So let's talk about my goals. What do I plan on moving forward? So number one, we want to include the Medicare back in during the off season. During the off season, we want to focus on new to Medicare and bring in, you know, that Medicare revenue, okay? Number two, we want to keep focusing on ACA as well, of course. We need to get to that 1,000 client mark. And we want to add services and products that complements our clients. So we want to enrich our clients' lives. So we want to be a true resource center, guys. And also, if you're not following me on Life and Med, I highly recommend that you do follow me. Not because I'm trying to get you to like buy my products or anything like that, but that allows you to see how I interact with my audience, how I get my audience to convert into clients, okay? So it's very important to, you know, just watch me on other platforms, not because I'm asking for anything from you. I'm just trying to help you, trying to help your business, you know what I'm saying? So that can help you and, you know, motivate you to do your own video. Sorry about that, guys. My camera ran out of space. So anyways, I'm going to continue on what I was saying really quick, and then I will end the video. So anyways, I was saying that I do encourage you guys to follow me on my other channel, which is Life and Med, for my business here on YouTube. Now, I'm not asking you to watch those videos to become a customer, become a consumer, or anything like that. If you did become a customer, that's great. But I am encouraging you guys to watch those videos as a business owner, okay? Sit back, watch the video, see how I interact with my audience, see how I convert those individuals into clients, okay? What are the videos I'm putting out, etc., and things like that. Take notes, and hopefully it will encourage you to start your own channel or making videos or present yourself on social media and such. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Anyways, I think I pretty much explained how my business grew fast and what are my goals as well. Like I said, I'm adding a little something to the business that's going to really do really well, I believe. I don't know, I haven't tried it yet, but I feel like it's going to do really well. So anyways, I will let you guys know when I do add that. I will drop the video when I add it, okay? So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me go before someone else walks in through the door. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye.